Hello mga palalam, Señorita Kayang is here. I'm here in our kitchen. I'm cooking our brunch, breakfast and lunch. Brunch. And then normally it's bacon and egg. I will show you my loves. That one, egg, bacon. Bacon. Yeah, bacon. I prefer fry because it's quicker than oven. Usually sa grilled and oven, and then eggs and toast and mga palalabs. Tapos na yung my husband's are done. And
My
then,
husband's.
no, sorry.
My husband's
My husband's breakfast, not my husband is done. My husband's breakfast is done. And then, next is Chloe. Next is for my dalaga. Say hello. And then Chloe is upstairs. And last for mommy. I'm the hungry one. I'm the hungriest one, but I'm the last one. I'm the one who cooked, but the last. Yan ang mommy. Last sa lahat. And then, hopefully, say hello to my palalabs.
Hi everybody.
Say hi, palalabs.
Hi Palalabs.
Don't be shy.
Hi Palalabs.
Yeah, next is your bacon and egg sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Toast.
toast.
It's toasted.
Oh, don't make it too hard.
I'm not.
Yeah. Ito ka na. Yeah, give me that. And
Yeah.
bacon and egg. Do you like it?
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. I was hungry.
Oh.
I had a sandwich for dinner and a bit of pizza.
Obviously, he likes it because somebody else cooking is nice. Even me, I don't like if I am cooking, I don't like to eat it. I don't like my own cooking. No pinching bottom. It's horrid.
Oh, right.
That's not nice. Oh, that's attitude, Chloe. Attitude. Gutom na ako. Pero unahin ko muna sila. Kasi I don't feel relaxed if I eat first. Sila muna and then ako. Yeah. Oh, this is my kitchen. I will show you guys my kitchen. Ganyan. Yan, papunta yan palabas, papunta sa sala. Ito ang entrance. Ito ang dining room. Ito ang Ano ba to? Utility room. And ito. Ayan. Yan ang yan. Ito lang ang kitchen namin. Usually, ito lang talaga kalaki ang kitchen. Hindi to sa amin. Hindi talaga yeah. It's good space. I don't need a big one. As long as malinis, I'm happy. And yeah. May video ako mamaya. Watch. Please subscribe me, guys. Mga palalab, subscribe me. Watch first for 2 minutes or 3 minutes before subscribe and click the bell. Ting, ting.